I was saying, I come, that peace, without a ripple, that absolute calm. Nirvana is before me, he's saying. I come. That's what we have. We are our real nature. He was able to see that. But he was able to see that in every experience, with eyes open and eyes closed. Anitya drishyeshu vivichya nityam. And then, see, if we try a little bit, we can also see. The problem is, even if we get to see it, we complain, we can't stay there. And we get mixed up with the bubble of life. Vivekananda says that many come to an understanding, few realize. We are unable to settle ourselves there. But then what does Vivekananda do? The second line. Tasmin samadhatta ihasma leelaya. Realizing the eternal, the background, this radiance, existence, consciousness, bliss, he was able to remain absorbed in samadhi, in that, and leelaya, just like that. We are unable to steady ourselves in that radiance. It's there right now it's there. It's just one mass of radiance everywhere. And that is what you are, Tattvamasi. But we can't. The moment, especially when the bubble is very shiny, it's very nice, we get sucked into that. Or it's very terrifying, we get sucked into that. And whether it's temptation or terror, whether it's anxiety or pleasure, we are unable to remain centered in our real nature as the experiencing consciousness, as that absolute. But he could. When? At all times. With that complete ease. He always had it from his childhood, even before he met Sri Ramakrishna. Why he had it, we know. He did not know. We know why he had it. That's his real nature. He is one of those Saptarishis that are always immersed in the contemplation of the divine. But this is what he wanted to give us. The reason why he could easily remain established in his real nature effortlessly. Viveka vairagya vishuddha chittam. Because his mind was purified. Purified mind, he could deploy, manifest these two things, Viveka and Vairagya. Viveka, this ability to see the eternal in the non-eternal, ability to see the divine in the secular, ability to see the reality in the midst of appearance. So this is Viveka. Vedanta shows us many ways. But if our minds are not pure, what happens is, if we read all that, it sounds like very nice philosophy, very cool things to know. But is it working for you? Not quite. We say, it's a very interesting language that people use, that I understand it, but I haven't realized it yet. We say that. It's like saying, hey, you are Sarva Priyananda. If I say, I understand it, but I still am unable to realize I'm Sarva Priyananda. How silly that is. That means you don't really understand. Viveka, that's Viveka. And that goes with another very important quality of the mind, power of the mind. Vairagya, dispassion. Dispassion. This continuous, we get attached. Terror, temptation, both of them tie us down to this world. Vivekananda writes in one of his poems, thine only is the hand that holds the rope that drags thee on. Let go thy hold, sannyasi bold, say Om Tat Sat Om. But we can't let go of our hold. We are trapped somehow. We are suffering because of it. But we can't let go of our hold. Hold on. People, the world, Facebook status, popularity, parking spot. And the body as I would like it to be. I don't like that it's changing and aging, and no, I want it this way, I don't want it that way. And the mind, I want it to be happy, a smiley emoji all the time. I don't like it when it is unhappy. Here's like a very interesting observation. I was just thinking. In the Bhagavad Gita, Sthita Prajna, the enlightened person, Arjuna asks, what is it like to be enlightened? And Krishna answers in the end of the second chapter, very beautiful.